Good morning, welcome to NP Hotel. May I help with your luggage?
Thank you.
Please check in at the reception. I will take your luggage to your room.
I want to check out.
Sure, let me help with your luggage.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Welcome everyone. May I help with the luggage?
Yes, please.
We will send the luggage to each room.
We are checking out as a group.
Okay, is all luggage ready?
Yes.
I will bring it to the lobby and help load it.
I want to change my room.
Sure, madam. What would you prefer?
A quiet room.
I will inform the reception and help to move your things.
I want to store my luggage.
Sure. Your name and room number, please.
Sakira, room 502.
Thank you. Here is your tag. Please show it when you're returned.